The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is stirring excitement among drone enthusiasts as DJI prepares to unveil its next flagship drone. Renowned for breaking boundaries in aerial technology, DJI seems poised to redefine drone capabilities once again. Despite facing regulatory challenges and a competitive market landscape, the company remains steadfast in its commitment to innovation. Recent FCC filings and leaked insider information hint at a groundbreaking leap in both design and functionality, signaling that the Mavic 4 Pro's release could be just around the corner. According to the FCC database, the Mavic 4 Pro will be available in two models, labeled L3A and L3B. This approach aligns with DJI's history of offering multiple versions of its drones to cater to different market segments. While professional filmmakers might gravitate toward an advanced, feature-rich version, hobbyists could find value in a streamlined, budget-friendly model. This strategy ensures that the Mavic 4 Pro appeals to a broad audience, from seasoned videographers to casual drone enthusiasts. One standout feature of the Mavic 4 Pro is its upgraded power system. Reports suggest a 6,654 mAh battery, a significant improvement over the 5,000 mAh capacity of its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. This enhanced battery life translates to longer flight times, making it ideal for photographers, videographers, and surveyors who demand extended operational periods. DJI's focus on power efficiency not only boosts performance, but also highlights its dedication to meeting user needs with practical, impactful upgrades. Speculation is rife about the Mavic 4 Pro's camera system. Leaked images suggest a spherical camera module, a radical departure from the Mavic 3 Pro's triple camera setup. This new design could feature multi-sensor technology aimed at improving image quality, stabilization, and scene recognition. Rumors also indicate that DJI may integrate advanced AI features, including automatic shooting modes, subject tracking, and enhanced low-light performance. These innovations could redefine aerial imaging, solidifying the Mavic 4 Pro's status as a must-have tool for professionals. For videographers, the Mavic 4 Pro's potential to support 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, alongside 4K oversampling and 10-bit color depth, is particularly enticing. Coupled with improved heat management systems, these capabilities address key challenges in high-resolution video production. Additionally, upgraded AI-driven obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes promise smoother and more autonomous flight experiences, setting a new benchmark in drone technology. The timing of the Mavic 4 Pro's rumored launch is crucial. With relatively few groundbreaking drone releases in recent months, DJI has the opportunity to set new industry standards. Despite increasing regulatory scrutiny, particularly in regions like the United States, DJI continues to innovate and expand its portfolio. The Mavic 4 Pro's anticipated advancements in battery life, camera technology, and automation could not only surpass its predecessor, but also establish new benchmarks for aerial imaging and usability. As the drone community eagerly awaits an official announcement, the excitement surrounding the DJI Mavic 4 Pro continues to build. Whether it's through revolutionary imaging systems, superior battery performance, or cutting-edge AI features, this drone has the potential to redefine what's possible for both consumer and professional markets. DJI once again positions itself as a leader in aerial innovation, and the Mavic 4 Pro could very well be its most pivotal release yet. Stay tuned for updates as we approach what could be a landmark moment in DJI's history. What features are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss the future of drone technology together.